a lot of companies also then they start following you. Like Airtel, I had a complaint recently about Airtel. They started following me, and now they made it standard. Every about 6 hours, they'll say if you have any problem with Airtel, please tweet us on phone. So please tweet us. So they're getting very proactive over there. But still, a bit of bashing does happen over there, which is good because the Twitter account responds much more faster than a telephone call or the call center over there.
I've heard this from several people that if you have a complaint, rather than going through the normal route, normal consumer channels, consumer support channels, if you were to tweet, it works faster. And that's also I think that probably a lot of companies are getting very hyper about social media. If you have invested so much in your traditional consumer channels, customer support channels, then you need to probably make them more responsive and effective rather than, because, then you are essentially disadvantaging people, who are not on social media. People who use your traditional customer support channels like, the toll-free number, customer care numbers or email or whatever. But I think, yes, it has amazing power. I think in terms of, it gets noticed faster than any other channel medium, customer CRM medium, yeah.
Where do you see CRM magazine a couple of years from now?
So I think broadly, we grow with, the growth of people like Nityanand and, because if they do well, I think IT has it has great potential. We're just starting out in India in terms of, IT proliferation, private sector, public sector. And in that, the channels, Sam has also been an IT solution provider. He made his own PCs at one point in time. He still has a small element of that business, which is more service oriented, AMC and all. So I think CRN will, by God's grace and with the blessings of the channel partners and IT solution providers, will do well. It has a limit in terms of how much we can grow because you have the similar number of vendors and all. Cloud is going to transform, just like social media, cloud is going to transform a lot of things there. There's going to be a massive consolidation.
Yes.
So we'll have to wait and see.
Dhaval, tell us something about your passion. What are you passionate about? Besides, being an activist and your passions, like what do you like doing?
So I like movies.
Okay.
And I like good food.
Okay.
So I cook. I watch a lot of movies. Most of them because you don't have access to a lot of movies, so I download. That's piracy. Dale could actually activate and probably. But I download from BitTorrent and watch some of those movies So that is one of my passion. That's what I do. Even while commuting and all, I have it on my tablets. I download and watch it. So movies and food. Okay. Those are two of my passions. Consumer activism, yes. My mom and dad, they keep complaining that every Saturday, Sunday, you're either talking to someone who has an issue or you are essentially raking up your own issues. So he says you've actually gone, crazy because why would you want to spend so much time, talking to customer care or helping people on things. So that is one big thing.
So they'll be happy when you get married.
Yeah.
You'll stop cooking also.
No, I cook, but I cook I don't cook every time, but once in a while I do cook.
What's your favorite dish?
So the best dish that I cook is I can make some 3 or 4 types of pastas.
Wow.
And then I have also tried making, when I make pizzas. Once in a blue moon when I make pizzas, I make my own bread at home.
Oh,
so I get yeast and all of that, and actually make my bread and all of that. So that I do. So that's about
great, Dhaval. Thank you so much for being with us over here.
So I just wanted to say a small little thing. I've known Sam for what, 13, 14 years. I think, social media to me, because it empowers consumers, I think it's going to be transformative. Change business models, change the way we look at consumers, all of that. And I think what he's done, is also transformative. He used to sell PCs and all of that. Some of his clients are Kajol and Ajay Devgan, and he has actually serviced them. I think what he's doing is amazing. And when I sat there listening to all you people, talking about yourself and your company and, the pride with which you were talking, I got great positive vibes, sitting there. That just this set of people, if they start collaborating, referring one another to, referring each other. I mean, it can create so many possibilities, within this small community. And imagine, if you were to add more people, the collaboration and the kind of crowd.
Yes,
what is it
absolutely.
called? The crowd.
Community crowdsourcing
Or whatever. I mean, it can be great. So thank you for having me here. Yeah, I'm not a businessman like any one of you. So thank you for having me here.
Just
Yeah, sure.
this is a small.
What is that?
You're going to play this game. You're going to
Okay.
enjoy it over there. It's from one of our partners. He's Toycraft.
Oh,
So
thank
they
you.
manufacture these games. So
Thank
there's a
you.
special gift for you over there.
Because you're already in the Kurukshetra.
So this looks nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dhaval.